Sometimes we look in the mirror and wonder, why do I feel invisible? Why doesn't my face glow like hers? Why do I look so tired, dull, or ordinary? But here's the truth no one tells you. Your face card isn't just about your nose, skin tone, or cheekbones. It's the energy you carry, the love you give to yourself, and the way you treat your mind, body, and soul. So today, let's learn the easy, natural, and heart-touching ways to improve your face card, not just outside, but deep within. Part 1. Natural beauty starts with inner habits. 1. Water is magic. Not 8 glasses just for rules, but drink it like a gift. Every sip washes away tired skin, bloating, dullness. Add lemon or cucumber if plain water feels boring. 2. Sleep is your free facial. One good night of sleep can do what the best foundation can't. Want glowing under eyes? Sleep. Want soft skin? Sleep. No hacks. Just rest. 3. Food equals skin fuel. Glow starts from your plate. Eat colorful. Eat real. Fruits like papaya, pomegranate, oranges, they're skin food, not just snacks. Part 2. Skincare that feels like love. 4. Don't chase 10-step skincare. Start with just 3. Cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen. If it doesn't feel good, you won't keep doing it. Skincare isn't a punishment, it's self-love. 5. Weekly face mask equals reset ritual. 6. Massage your face while applying cream. Touch your skin like you're thanking it. Lift your cheeks. Gently press under your eyes. Your fingers can be better than any tool. Part 3. Subtle makeup for face card boost. Makeup should never hide you. It should highlight your truth. Even teens can use a few things mindfully. 7. Eyebrows equals face frame. Brush them. Shape lightly. That's it. Game changer. 8. Lips. Loud colors? Not always. Use tinted lip balm or light gloss. Your natural lip color deserves to shine. 9. Blush equals youth. A soft peach or pink blush. It makes your face come alive like you just laughed with your best friend. Part 4. Confidence is the ultimate glow. 10. Posture equals presence. Lift your head. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Confidence looks better than any contour. 11. Smile softly. Not always, just naturally. A real smile from the heart makes the whole face beautiful. Even when you don't feel perfect, smile like you're proud of your journey. 12. Talk kindly to yourself. No cream or filter can cover harsh self-talk. Look at the mirror and say, I'm growing. I'm learning. And I'm beautiful in my own way. Part 5. Lifestyle add-ons that make you glow. 13. Exercise a little. Even dancing in your room. Blood flow equals face glow. 10 minutes is enough. 14. Detox from social media faces. Your face isn't supposed to look like a filter. You're real. That's your power. 15. Groom the little things. Clean nails, fresh breath, neat hair. They silently upgrade your face card. You don't need to be fairer. You don't need to look like anyone else. Your beauty is not in your symmetry, it's in your soul energy. So next time you walk out the door, remember this. You are a walking masterpiece, and the world will notice your face card the moment you recognize your own worth. Stay soft, stay stunning, and glow like only you can.